Okay, here are a couple more air conditioning units at our hotel here in Orlando, Florida. Here's this one. This one's a mini split. Not sure what brand it is. I would assume it's probably a Carrier since all the other units here are Carriers. There's data for that. And here's another Carrier Performance unit. Currently not running. It's a 3-ton from 2015. This unit is a heat pump, like the other Carrier Performances here. But yeah, this is at our hotel here in Orlando. With it's same place with those 4 other Carrier Performances. But yeah, just like a quick video of these units. Anyways, thanks for watching.